2018 Dodge Demon. Just came in. Fresh. We're gonna put a Kooks complete system on it. Bolt-on system, as you guys can see. This is what it looks like before. This is what it sounds like before. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. There's a Demon logo. That's what it sounds like before, guys. There's sound decibels on it. Again. 116. This is the Kooks system. Right here. Looks like a dead body. Because the Demon is gonna kill everything else, as it always does. So we'll put this system on and let you guys hear it. Enjoy. All right, guys. So here's a 2018 Dodge Demon. As you guys can see, one of my favorite cars of all time. I will have one soon. If you guys agree, make sure you hit that like button. If you don't agree, hit the like button. All that stuff, hit the like button anyways. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a aftermarket Kooks system we put on. Kooks, especially made for this car. It's got the X-pipe right there. It's got the mid resonators there that comes on it. Then 3-inch system all the way back, and then the what do you call them? The flaps automatically come on this system, and you just add them in. You just add the factory stuff to it there and there. They're actually dummies, as you can see. So it keeps it wide open the whole time. There is no flaps in the new system. Then it's 3-inch pipe all the way back into some rear resonators there and there, and then it has quad tips out the back just to complete it. Looks phenomenal. Black tips there and there. There's the old system that we cut off right there, and the Demons come with black tips. You don't see these black tips all the time. That's the old system. Then it sounds like before. Sounds really good, but it's not loud enough for him. On the track, it's really quiet. So we're gonna cut the mufflers and resonators off. We're gonna straight pipe it. Dodge Demon. So it's hitting 110. All right, so we showed you guys what it sounds like before with the Kooks complete system. So it wasn't loud enough, and when he took it to the track, it was just way too quiet. Dodge Demon. You guys can see right there. So what we did on it, left the stock converters there and there, or aftermarket Kooks wipe X-pipe right there. Then we did a mid muffler delete. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. We did also a rear resonator delete there and there, and left the Kooks tips on it because they look really good on it there and there. So basically now it's completely straight piped. We still got the valves on it right there, right there. This is everything we cut off right there. It just wasn't performing as it should for a Demon. It didn't sound like it should for a Demon. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And I love his license plate. Demon Live. She's alive! It sounds so good. It's smooth. It's so smooth. Let you guys hear on that? Much better. Drag it out. Not like that. By the way, guys, these are brand new tires. What's left of them. He was at a show and he was doing a lot of burnouts. Go ahead. Let's hear the idle. One more. Let you guys hear all this. Dodge Demon. Boom, 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 boom. 400 miles, guys, on it. That's insane. Okay, there's the badge. It's even on the tires, somewhere right there. Guys, that's awesome. You can still hear it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Dodge Demon. That sexy stance. So you guys believe it? There it is. Here's that badge. Boom. Getting it ready. Much better. Now you can actually hear it. That's why he's waiting.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah.